What's up guys, Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction, and today we're checking in at another project. Luckily this one's right here in our backyard. We're in Lake Elsinore, just a mile down from our office. And this is a little bit different than our standard foundation repair project that you guys might typically see from us. This is actually a seismic retrofitting project, and we're not the GC on this project, so we're only doing one small phase. And if you look behind me here, you can see the crew is working on that phase now. And that's going to be consisting of installing some grade beams along with some steel columns to transfer the load from the living quarters through the garage down below them. You might be wondering, what is soft story retrofitting? So let's break that down a little bit. We talk about seismic retrofitting quite a bit, and soft story retrofitting is very similar. So let's start with the seismic. Seismic means earthquakes or earthquake activity. Retrofitting means to reinforce. So seismic retrofitting is reinforcing a structure to withstand earthquake activity. And soft story retrofitting is very, very similar, but with a soft story, we're standing inside of one actually. But a soft story is where we have in a garage with living quarters or a building up above it. So that's very, very common all throughout LA County, and we have quite a few of them out here in Riverside County as well. But that's what we're doing out here at this project, soft story retrofitting, and ultimately we are strengthening this building to ensure that it can withstand earthquake activity.